So yes, 60 and full should be full, but the tolerance is 0.03. Oh, that's fine. Okay. It's different stuff. Yeah. Good. Okay. An upper camera. 可以直接这样弄吗？
可以啊，没问题啊。
我还会有那种风险的。
这时候，这种的话就要你要放板。
放板，那个板子。The boat。
这种就是可以自己开实时去放板。就不用改位置。对，可以开实时这个地方。
On live and our camera. No, this one.
不是，他来看这个，他是在看这个。
我上相机还没标吗？对。We're adjusting the brightness of that.
不能设为0。这个是
We can't set zero. We can't set zero. This one can't be zero.
That is sticking zero.
对，所以他其实没有变。
对，
因为他不能，他至少要设为。
If the value is zero, but it's not zero. 不需要定位吗？
不行。
啊？
因为它不在中间。
OK。
他知道，这个实验，人家试了才知道。
OK。Move the cross line to the center.
他知道。
And a quiet picture.
然后这个坐标要填进去。
Okay. This one. See, this value should fill in this here. 就创建模板以后再改这个坐标值可以吗？
可以。
对。
要去那里保存一下。
9 points.
跟客户讲一下，如果这里坐标改过了是吧？
嗯
这个没关系，但是如果这个坐标改过了，就要保存一下。
，OK
对，因为这个坐标是要用到的，这个是后续不需要用到的。
OK. If you change this value, you should save here, save the parameters there.
Oh, okay.
OK. 那这次没有成功啊，这个验证。
不是成功了呀，它标定成功了呀，你没有点没保存到吧？
对，没保存。
不是，它生效了，但它标定成功了，
嗯
这个坐标也生效了，
嗯，
但是就是如果不保存的话，
下次就没了。
下次就没了。
OK. Verify it, yeah. So, okay, 0.01, and no, not too much, and
Unlimited.
okay. 他是说有没有限制？
It's no controllable.
这里它走不了的。
You cannot get to.
试一下就知道。
Okay, you can try. You can try. You can
It's not
try.
controllable.
You can try. Actually,
试一下嘛。
yes,
我没试过
you
这个
can。try. We didn't set up error, so
So what is the...
too much.
99也走不了，因为视野没那么大的，我们只能是
Only the field of view. Only the field of view. So it's too much. It's too much. It's not okay.
也不行。只能是10几，最大是11、12这样的10。
That's 15. 15. That's 15. 确实可以。
但拍不到了。
So physics.
对。
Yeah. No, but now we can't see it. So it'll be 10, around 10. So that's the limit for that.
Okay, yes, system design is around
See.
10 mm.
So now it's around 20, and the tolerance is 0.01. So that'll be fine. So perfect.
So this is from here to here.
Yeah. Only the field of view, so not too much. Okay, that's about a low camera and hyper camera's calibration.
Yeah.
We can solve the parameters, yes. And next time the parameters will be low.
同样的，改了这里坐标也是要保存的。
对。
跟客户讲一下。
And if you change this value, so you also should save the parameters there.
This way there.
Okay, now it's for the upper and lower camera.
再标完这个就 OK 了嘛。
Okay. 为什么直接开始了？
我问你，我怎么知道？
这个步骤对吗？
不对呀、
No.
要先移动，先移动位置放板嘛，
Yeah.
应该点停止。
And we should click stop.
现在不行。
Stop.
Yeah, stop. So install the vacuum nodder. Yeah. Because we have to pick up the plus. Make it tight. Yeah.
这个 WiFi
然后的话，这调整位置呢？
啊，调到这个位置，就移动到这个位置啊。
移动到这个位置。
啊，
Okay. We move this one. Move to this position. Okay. Move this to this position.
啊，这个不用调，啊，对，可以调。下降来，然后再去放板啊。
Okay. Move down. Okay. Now we place the.
Just now I see the guy place this one is on the top.
Yes, it's on the top. Yeah.
This one is on the top side.
Okay. 这个是
Should be
Yes,
this facing
top.
on the top side or this facing on the top side?
对，这里
this is
这
top
里面
side. Yeah, top
Yeah,
side.
yeah,
This
yeah.
is top side. Okay. Face.
This one is the top side.
他说这个是正面吗？哦，这个正面。
是啊，这里是正面啊。
Okay, this is top side. Yeah. And face upward. Okay.
正面朝下。
正面朝下。Okay. Okay. No. Face the top and here. Face the bottom.
So the top facing the
Yeah.
因为我下相机要来拍那个嘛，
Okay. Because we use the low cameras
可以
to.
让它这个红点过去了。
Okay. And make that circle around the center. Okay, fine. And make it a flat. See, the center. Okay. 然后呢？下一步 Start.
不是，好像我们
Start up.
Where is that?
This one. Okay. Open live. You see.
啊，这样也行，这样都可以。
Okay.
然后就
Capture.
拍一张图。
Draw line. Yeah.
然后
Got calibration.
然后就切换到这里来。
Swing lower. Yeah. Confirm. Move. Next step. 所以上部的已经完成了。
我上部找到了，但还要跟下部一起。
对。We finished the upper camera part, and now in terms of the lower camera. Now vacuum and pick it up. Yeah, we adjust the brightness and exposure or something, make it more clear for this image. We can open live, yeah.
哦，这样也可以。
Okay. Make it quiet, yeah. Go alright. Yes, same location for yes, and for comparison and start calibration and to test the result. Okay, we success. See, success. Okay, 然后呢？
然后就画其他位置，不要画同一个位置。
And then we draw another area. So
画其他位置来测试它准不准嘛。
Okay.
就不用再画。
this is the calibration part finished. But now we need to verify it and draw 9 points. Like we can cover 9 points and to verify and for comparison of this.
Go.
这个画这里的位置。
And we can draw these 9 points or 12. Okay.
对，可以。
Okay. Right click
然后切换到上这边
and switch to the upper one.
也是画。
Yeah. And draw Y and to same area. Same area. Yeah. Okay. Fine. And okay. You take.
这
And we're seeing this one. The first point is 2305, and this first point is 2305, and the coordinates of it. So, okay, the tolerance is 3 pesos, peso, yeah. And now we can check the first point. It's okay, and this one for the lower camera, 3.45, 3.05, 2.05, and 2.05. So that's okay.
1 pixel how many micron?
Huh?
1 pixel how many micron?
And 1 pixel, 0.014 millimeter.
1
pixel.
Yeah, seperti ni kan kata warna tu.
Yeah, you're right. Yes. A different unit. Yeah, you're right. Okay. And after this is okay.
Yep.
Okay. And which side? OK， 做完以后，然后就保存哈。
做完以后，对，最好就保存一下。我怕你们改了这个坐标嘛，最好就保存一下。
OK， that's OK，
好吧。然后拿手就是说，对这个
OK。
I know what he means.
Yes, we should. OK, we should take it away. Take it. Yeah, the vacuum. And close the vacuum and take it.
Make sure
Yeah.
holding the thing.
Yes, holding that and release. Okay, that's all for this upper and lower camera calibrations. And this is between the relationship with the lower camera and the upper cameras. Okay, separate lower camera and upper camera, and this the relationship between the lower and the upper. Okay, that's all.
Shall we shift this one to last one? Shall we shift this tab to last one?